Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to change the oven to automatically start on power up. You will notice on power startup that the oven goes into standby mode as shown on the screen here. To start the oven, press the start button on the screen. You will see it has changed to a red on icon, indicating the elements are heating. To put the oven back into standby mode, press this icon again. You may wish the oven to start to heat as soon as it is turned on. This is often a requirement for customers who are running long-term tests and don't want to ruin the batch if there is a power failure on plant. To change this feature, press the configuration icon. Enter the password 0381 using the up and down keys and press enter. Go to the safety settings and change the power fail restart from safe to continue. Press the configuration icon to save, then home and save to go back to the home screen. You will now notice that when the power is removed, the oven wakes up in the same state as it was before the power failure. The oven also remembers conditions such as if the oven is in alarm mode, or if it is halfway through a profile and it continues at the same state. You can still turn the oven on and off pressing this key. We hope you've found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk.